Hey, what's up brothers, it's Fonte here. I hope everybody's safe and healthy. And in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Google Play on your Harmony OS Huawei phone. I will show you, this is my Huawei Mate X2 about phone with Harmony operation system, and the question is how to install the Google Play on this device. And it's the China variant of this phone with Harmony. So before we started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more content like this. Thank you very much. And now, let's go. The first thing, brothers, you have to do is go to settings, system and updates, and you have to turn off the upguard. It only allows installation direct from app gallery. So disable this thing. Okay, it's off. And now you have to do the first step is, as always, go to my website. The link is in description of this video, bro, so go to description, tap on that link. The link takes you to my website, to this site, phonetech.cz. I recommend you to this website, very good website about phones and Huawei devices. So scroll a bit down on the website until you see Gspace with Google Play icon hack. So tap on that link. It opens Mediafire. Tap on the big blue button right here and tap on stáhnout, download in English. I'll show you. Okay. The file is downloaded. What is the next step? We have to open the Files application, this one, and as you can see, phone and download is the path. So location, phone, download. This is the downloaded file. So tap on it, hold the finger on it, tap 4 dots right here, and extract to, and current location. Okay, this is the extracted file. Tap on it and tap on Gspace. APK, tap on install and tap on open and tap on start, allow, and now we have to wait until the Gspace application is downloaded, extracted on this beautiful Huawei Mate X2 device with Harmony operation system. The Harmony is very good operation system, but you will see that in a future in videos that are on its way, brothers. So 66% right now. We have to wait. This is the Chinese variant of the Huawei Mate X2, of course. Decent phone, the best foldable phone from Huawei. And I think this phone is better than the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. The cameras are superb on this thing. So we are almost there. 93. Dun, 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 dun. I will show you something interesting. The new Huawei Watch 3 Pro, of course, with Harmony operation system and updates, system update, and as you can see, Harmony OS 2.0, and firmware is up to date on these beautiful smartwatches. But the new firmware is on its way, and it should arrive in 1 week or so. Huawei told me this information. So Huawei Watch 3 Pro, new smartwatches with Harmony operation system right here, and this is the Huawei Mate X2. Now go back again, files. Now install the shortcut maker. Tap on install, tap on open the application, tap on got it, go back, Now again go to files and tap on this play Gspace shortcut. Tap on other right here and scroll until you see shortcut maker right here. Tap on it, tap on always, create shortcut. It doesn't work. That's weird. Because everything is fine. So it seems the shortcut maker application doesn't work with Harmony OS. Again, other. Shortcut maker, always. I create shortcut, nothing happen. So this will be the Gspace method without Google Play icon hack. Once more. No. So now open Gspace and now we have to log in with our Gmail account, Google account. So tap on YouTube shortcut. It will open the Google Play window. Now tap on sign in, this green button, and in a few seconds it will open the login page into the Google Play. As you can see, this is a sandbox virtual machine. As I said before, don't use Gspace with your primary Google account. Always use your secondary account, because safety, brothers. We don't know who is behind the Gspace application. Some Chinese guys, and they are clever. So from here you have to log in with your Google account. So I'm gonna log in with my Google. I agree. Tap on more, accept. And we should be in few seconds on the, yes, we are here, and we have the Google Play right here on the Huawei Mate X2 with Harmony operation system. And of course from here I can download for example the YouTube application, the YouTube. So tap on install. Again, if I want to download something else, TikTok, so search for TikTok and tap on install, and the TikTok will be installed on my device. And I will show you how to create shortcut to this application, because on default you always have to open Gspace, and from here tap the shortcut, and it takes you to the application you have downloaded via the Gspace application. And it's a bit annoying, I have to say, but now we have to wait for some app to download. It's a bit shame that, but it is what it is. The shortcut maker doesn't work on Harmony OS, so we don't have the Google. We can't use the Google Play icon hack. Again, I tap on the YouTube. It's still downloading, and for the shortcut to make, we need the app downloaded. So we have to wait, brothers. And but this is the Google Play on the Harmony OS device, and that's cool, isn't it? I think it's cool. Okay, we have the YouTube application downloaded. So go back, open the Gspace, and this is the home screen, the Gspace home screen, the first screen. This is the second screen, and we have more. We can have more screens on the right. But now, if I want the YouTube application outside this folder, all I have to do is tap on it and hold a finger on it. It vibrates, and then I have to choose create shortcut, I think. So let's see if it works on Harmony. Of course it works. So create shortcut. The shortcut is created, and where is the shortcut? I don't see the YouTube, or am I blind? So again, but I don't see the shortcut. So now I open the YouTube for some reason. Okay. And again, Gspace. Tap on it and create shortcut. It says the shortcut is created, but I don't see the shortcut. And the TikTok again. Create shortcut. And we can upgrade the app, but it is up to date. So I don't see the shortcut. This is the TikTok, but where is the YouTube? But I think this was pre-installed on the device. I don't see the YouTube. So let's try the WhatsApp application for verify this weird behavior. I see that my battery is slowly dying on my camera, so I have to be very fast. Okay, tap on open. We are in within the application, so again tap on this and tap on create shortcut. It says shortcut has, but I don't see the shortcut. I don't see the WhatsApp shortcut. Device. It says shortcut created, but it's not true. The shortcut method also isn't available on the Harmony OS, but the main thing and the core thing is, brothers, that you can have Gspace on your Harmony OS device, and of course you can download your favorite apps with this Gspace method, with this application, and it comes handy because I can download some apps which is not available with the Huawei App Gallery and Petal Search. So with my secondary account, I can download the applications and games I want to download, and it's a great alternative to other methods. As I said, Huawei App Gallery and Petal Search. But of course, this is not the core, the native Google on your device, but it is what it is, and the war between China and US is still ongoing, so we have this. So I do hope you ended up enjoying the video, bros. This was how to install Google Play on the Harmony OS Huawei device. It's simple. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, brothers. I really appreciate your support. Stay safe, wear the mask. Peace out. I love you. Ciao.